Hey everybody, this is Living with Perks and I got a quick one for you. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new glasses by the ANYLUV brand. Let's bust these open and take a look. Inside the box here we have the protective pouch and cleaning kit. We have a couple instruction manuals and cards, a blue light for testing, and the glasses themselves. Inside the box, deep in there, there is a case so you can contain these glasses, just like you see there. Let's take a look at these babies. I got these in a nice yellow sheen. The frame looks very similar to my glasses I do wear for reading, and it seems to be very durable. The design is from Italy. Let's go ahead and try these on and see how they look. Very comfortable. The frames do bend and work well for people with big heads like myself. I can see clear as day. My computer screens, everything is crisp and clean. No issues there. Does give a little bit of a yellow tint there, but I think that's the whole purpose of these glasses, is less strain on the eyes. Over here I got my TV playing some video games. I'll be able to do this for hours with these glasses. No strain on the eye whatsoever. Overall, things look great. The colors are very vibrant in the game and everything just kind of pops. Hard for me to explain, but it's almost like the appearance that you get from 3D glasses. Very clear. You can see that there is a little bit of a reflection in these, but I do not see that peering out to the focal point of whatever I'm looking at. Overall, these are great. They're comfortable and they enhance any type of digital interface that I'm looking at. Gonna be great for your phone, your computer screen, a TV, less strain on the eye, and crisp, clean, and overall great. Real quick, just to show you the goodies it comes with, this is the nice silk pouch that you can put your glasses in, a cleaning cloth for cleaning off the glass. We have the LED light, a carrying case, and the glasses themselves. What a fantastic deal. So if you do want to pick up a set of these glasses for yourselves, take a look at the description below. I will have a link there. And if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.